How to mirror a column from board to another on monday.com. So first go to monday.com, and then what you need to do first is connect two boards here. So just click on a plus icon here and then type in connect. Click on connect boards, then just click on select boards, and then select the board that you're going to connect to this board here. Click on it and then click on connect boards. Next is just click on create a mirror column. Okay, now from here just click on the mirror here, settings, customize, and of course you need to choose what you're going to mirror from the column from this board. So let's check the board. So let's say I want to mirror the status column here from this board. So just go back to the board earlier, and then you just need to select settings here. Then of course make sure that status is here, since you're going to mirror the column of status from this board, right? So just click on all labels. Then from this board here you just need to click on plus and select the column that you're going to see here, that you want to see from this board. So let's say I want to see the item 1 from there, and then click on anywhere, and as you can see now it's the column from this board is mirroring from this one. So let's check item 1, done, and that's it. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.